This is a short YouTube to discuss the wind noise problems that often occur with Teslas. They have this frameless window here, and our experience is it doesn't really seal that well. Taken it to the dealership multiple times, and I've never really gotten a really satisfactory solution. And just to demonstrate a fix that I've discovered here, I've come along with my sound meter, sitting here in my driveway. So let's just record the sound of the car sitting still, completely quiet. So we're about 47 dB with just listening to the air conditioner and no road noise whatsoever. So let's go down the road, record some noise as we drive normally in a suburban setting, and then we'll apply the fix and make a comparison. Okay, so here I am in sort of suburban neighborhood driving, going about 38 miles an hour, so not in the neighborhood where houses are, obviously. It's one of the secondary roads, let's call it. And it's about 75 dB as I record with the machine here in my hand. And I put the microphone on my bill cap here to be close to where the source of the noise is. So as we get onto the bigger road and get to higher highway speeds, we'll be able to make another test. I'm going at a relatively slow speed right now, but I've got cars around me, so with this microphone on my bill cap, which is close to the window where the noise comes from, you may be able to hear a little bit of sound coming from cars around me. So I'll record here for a few seconds, pick up speed to come next to this guy if I can. He's kind of all over the road. Jesus. And so that's what it sounds like with a car right next to me. Seems to have trouble staying in his lane. So next time you hear from me, I'll be traveling around 55 or 60 miles an hour. I'm going to record, I'm going about 58 miles per hour here, and got cars next to me, so you might be able to hear their wheel noise a little bit through this microphone on the bill of my cap. We're coming to a stop here shortly. Oh, looks like the light's staying green. Okay. We're sitting here at a stoplight, so I will record just the sounds as I take this sound meter to the window. There's a truck idling nearby. At 52 decibels at the window. 45 right here where my head is roughly. Okay, so Tesla's driving me right now, so while I'm paying due attention to the road, of course, I also want to conduct this experiment. So traveling here at 59 miles per hour, I'll flip on the noise meter, or a decibel meter, and measure by the window. That was reading 72 decibels. We get passed by a car. And around the steering wheel. It's bouncing around, but 65 to 70 decibels. Of course, the guy who's passed me is all over the road, but I think I've got at least a decent reading for what highway speeds are like. So next time I talk to you, I will be applying my little fix for this particular issue. Okay, so let's look at what the issue is here with this car. Turn that around. So when you drive, this bit of gasket doesn't seal properly, and I've come up with a solution to put a little bit of pipe cleaner in there. And so I'll go ahead and shut the camera off for the period of time it takes me to put it in here, because I need 2 hands, and then we'll check out to see how well this worked. So literally all I've done is I've pushed in this bit of pipe cleaner into this gasket here to give it just a little bit more push when the window seals up against it. So kind of stays in place here by itself. And so now we'll get back on the road and see how it does with cutting down a little bit of the wind noise. As I started out, I was sitting still, not going anywhere, and of course I should expect to have similar sound readings with my mini sound meter. This thing to turn on. Around 48, 49 decibels at the window. About 43, 45 near the steering wheel. And most of the noise is coming obviously from the air conditioning. So let's get down the road and see if this made any difference at all. So as I started off with this video, I was going along a neighborhood road around 35 or so miles per hour, and I'm going 33 at the moment. Slightly quieter neighborhood area where I'm recording at this moment in time. I'm not going to mess with the sound meter because I want to pay attention to the road, but you should be able to pick up on the microphone on my bill of my hat to see if there's any differences. It does subjectively seem a little bit quieter to me. I'll check back in when I'm on the road. Okay, I'm back at highway speeds here, 56 miles per hour. Put it in self-drive. I'm seeing about 75 decibels on the sound meter. 71 around the driving wheel. I'm going to pass a car here. We'll subjectively see if the sound picks up the sound differently. I could hear that I passed the car, but subjectively it seems like the level of noise from their road, their wheel noise was a little bit less than I perceived earlier. 59 miles per hour. Some bumps in the road, obviously, so that's adding noise. But as far as wind noise is concerned, I'd say that this little device here cuts it down a little bit. Now I got a smooth road, so I can really focus on the amount of wind noise, and I guess you have an opportunity to pick it up on my bill of my hat and get passed by a car, the same one I passed earlier. So that concludes my experiment. I hope this information is useful to you. It'd be great if Tesla provided a bag of these pipe cleaners so that you can avoid going to the dealership for unnecessary repairs. Thanks for your attention.